The mystery of frost date, unveiled. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase often used in gardening and farming contexts. Ever heard of the term, frost date? If not, or if you're curious to know more, stick around as we unwrap the meaning and usage of this phrase. A frost date refers to two specific dates in the year. 1. Spring frost date. This is the average date of the last light spring frost. In simpler terms, it's usually the last time in spring when temperatures drop low enough for frost to form. After this date, the weather typically becomes warmer, reducing the risk of frost. 2. Fall frost date. This is the average date of the first light fall frost. This signals the beginning of colder weather when temperatures again drop to a point where frost can form. Understanding these dates is crucial for gardeners and farmers as they help determine when to plant and when to harvest certain crops to avoid damage from frost. Frost can damage or even kill plants. Many plants, especially those that are tender or tropical, can't handle the cold temperatures associated with frost. 1. Planting too early. If gardeners plant before the last expected spring frost, there's a risk that the young plants might get damaged or die. 2. Harvesting too late. If certain crops are left in the ground or on the plant during the first expected fall frost, they might be damaged and become unusable. By being aware of the frost dates, gardeners and farmers can make informed decisions, ensuring the best chances of a successful harvest. The frost date can vary depending on where you live. It's not the same date for everyone around the world. 1. Local agricultural departments. Many places have local agricultural or meteorological departments that track frost dates based on past weather data. 2. Online resources. There are many online tools and databases where people can enter their location to find their estimated frost dates. 3. Local gardening clubs. Many experienced gardeners in a community are familiar with the typical frost dates for their area and can be a valuable resource for newcomers. Thank you for joining us on this frosty journey. Knowing the frost date is more than just an interesting fact. It's a crucial piece of information for anyone with a green thumb. We hope this video has shed light on this term, and may your plants always thrive, free from the unexpected chills. Until next time, happy gardening!